Hi guys, this is Kavi Shankar and I'm trying to record a tutorial on how to create a hashtag system. I have created a very basic system and I have not used very extensive stylings. It is up to you to style your documents and every other thing. This is just going to be a small tutorial on how to create a basic hashtag system and not like what your uh, social networks actually give you. So let's drill into what I have done so far. Here I have given a small text box. For example, here is a text box. So and that is the text is coming. And for example, here is your face, and that gives you a hashtag. If you click on that, it gives something like http.facebook.com. Well, before I actually get into how I create this, it's always better to start with how to create a database. For example, I have created a database called tags, and in it I have created two tables called hashtag and results. Let's take a small look at what hashtag looks like. There's only one second. There's only two columns, ID and post, and I just showed you what it is. And the second row, I'm sorry, the second column has ID and results. And in this results only, and these results are only going to be showed up when you actually click on the tag. You see, Facebook, and you see it's again it's going, and if you click this you're just going to see Facebook. That's it. uh, Whatever the hashtag that you're creating, it would just pull up results from the database and give you the results that is in the database and not anything outside the database. So that's what I'm trying to convey here. So let's look at what we have to do. I'm opening up my IDE, sorry. Ah, and in the index page I have created a uh, web page where it says include tag posts. See here, and in the tag post I have just done nothing but just created a usual connection to the MySQL database, and in case if the connection fails it's just going to give the error, and if the connection is a success then we are going to do a small MySQL query which says select star from hashtag order by ID descending. I don't have to dwell what the descending part or order by ID descending part is, because most of you guys are all well, informed about what these things are, even though I'm not such an expert in this. So I will let you do your research in your field, okay? So then I just created a small while loop, and in it I just fetched the post that we have created here. Post, okay, and I have created a small file called insert, okay, which is inside the includes folder, or you could also take a small look at the index page where I have created a form in which the action is actually the insert.php page. It is nothing but, if you look at this page, it is nothing but just a small connection that usually happens when you try to create a connection to your database. And later I will explain this part, don't worry. I will just give you a small hashtag look. Look into the hashtag.php file. You see, the hashtag is actually 1 second. So if you look here, the hashtag is actually a page where your hashtag results are going to be shown. So though in order to do that, first you have to establish a connection with the MySQL. Then you have to get the tag. Now I'll show you now. Tag. Click on that. That is tag. Get the tag. Query it in the database. Use a while loop. Fetch it as an array. And then echo it out within the loop. And that creates something like this. Okay. I hope that you get it. And in the insert part, this is the main part on how to create the hashtag system. Let's just see what this page actually consists of. First, you are getting the data that is sent as a post from the index.php. Okay, the text area, which is actually the file where it gives you the data, and then establish a connection with the MySQL. And here for explode means it actually names are exploded into an array. Okay, explode everything that has a small space in it, and then for each that as the position, and if there is a hashtag in front of in the D, okay, then do I'm sorry, I'll come again. I'm a bit confused. I didn't sleep properly. Yeah, I'm sorry. I took a small coffee break. For each data D, if the string, if there is a pound sign in that D and is not false, then replace that string, replace that pound with nothing in the D, and uh, and then again we replace that D1, that variable D1 with the anchor tag that we are creating here in that data which we are procuring from the text box earlier. And if there is nothing the pound sign in it, then just then data one is equivalent to just this data, nothing else. And if there is a pound sign, then only these things actually take place. That's it. Simple. It's just simple. Then you just query it, insert it into the database, and then redirect the page to another page. That's it. Simple.